Hello, let's solve this Math Olympiad problem asked in Germany. So, how do you do it? So, let's take a log on both the side. So, x log 7. I'm taking base 10 because all the values are available in base 10 format. So, I'm just taking it, okay? Log 10, 72. Okay. So, x will be log 72 divided by log 7. Okay, remember that both has a base 10 because I am using base of the log is 10, so I am not writing base again and again. Okay, so log 72 9 into 8, right, divide by log 7. So log 9 plus log 8 divided by log 7. This is by log property. So we can write like log 9, you can write 3 square plus log 8 can be written as 2 divided by log 7. Okay, this can be written 2 log 3 plus 3 log 2 divided by log 7. Now you can put the value of log 2 and 3 and log 7 also, and you can solve it. But I am not just putting the value because that value is anyway available in table. So this is how we get the answer of x. See, it depends on the kind of question is asked, but we can simplify it further, but this is the answer. Thank you very much.